with the topic of ice. Ice is the crux of drinks and most people don't realize. The quality of water used, the clarity of ice, everything makes a difference to your drinking experience. I'm going to speak about ice and a little bit about how does it make a difference. To begin with, every time a bartender offers you a drink like this, full of ice, and he would add a little bit of your favorite cola or say Sprite, you feel that, guys, these are cheating. These people are cheating because you feel it's a lot of ice and less of your drink. But the idea is this is the way it's supposed to be. Ice works two ways. One is for chilling and second is for dilution. So in case of drinks which are not supposed to be diluted, you don't want just 2 cubes of ice, because the moment you put 2 cubes of ice in that warm drink, the ice melts really fast and your drink is diluted. You don't want a diluted experience. Whereas when it's supposed to be chilled, you need full of ice. That warm drink, the dilution rate of ice is really slow, because of which till your last drop of that drink, the drink tastes in the pristine condition. So ice is used for 2 reasons, like I said, dilution and chilling. So in some cases like a mojito, which asks for cracked ice, you get these ice crushers in the market which actually gives you shaved ice like a gola, but we don't need shaved ice because it dilutes too fast. The best way to make cracked ices at home is to use a very rudimentary method, which is beating up the ice. So take a cloth, put some ice between a thick cloth, and then use your muddler and then beat it. Beat it thoroughly, and what you have is a lot of cracked ice. This goes in, so the idea of cracked ice is a little bit of dilution and a little bit of chilling. Now when it comes to our 18-year-old malts or your cognacs, what do you do with them? Or a cocktail made out of those. So ideally you could have a rocks glass or the old-fashioned glass and fill it with a lot of ice, like we prefer it to have on the rocks. But smaller the cubes, the more is the dilution when you pour that whiskey. So your drink is diluted really fast. Hence these big cubes of ice. So for example, this one. Yeah, if you look at this ice, this is not very clear. It's a sphere, but it's not very clear. So making ice is a technique as well. So this ice was made with AquaGuard water or RO filtered water. But then this ice is cloudy. Like if you try it at home, you'll find that most of your ice is cloudy. That's because there are a lot of trapped gases inside. And to make this ice clear, the tip is double boil the water. Boil it once, cool it down, boil it again, and you will see that it makes a huge difference and your ice is actually clear. It's transparent, it's clear. And that can go in your drink. The idea about this cube is whenever you pour your whiskey, because the ice was really big, the dilution of this ice is really slow. So the idea is you get very little dilution, but your whiskey is available to you really good. So be it your Manhattans or your old-fashioned cocktails, these cubes work really well. So I hope you have understood the importance of ice with this video. So next time you see a bartender adding a lot of ice in your drinks, you must be really happy. He is a very knowledgeable bartender. So don't go easy on ice. Put a lot of ice, because ice make it the drink. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you soon with my next round of yarn sessions. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to our channel and stay happy high. Thank you.